arrived and we don't know what it is. Let's open it inside. Let's go, guys. Let's open this box. See what's inside.
Oh yeah.
Let's take out that. And keep on going. Whoa, what's this? Look, guys. This is the... Oh! The wow! It's a Galaxy Watch 4. Oh my god, it's here! Guys, this is the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Oh.
This is not a dream.
Can we open?
Let's open together, Eric.
Yeah. So I'm going to open this.
It's
the
more.
Galaxy
Good morning,
Watch
guys.
4.
It's early in the morning. I received this package. Eric it's already opened it. So I got the Galaxy Watch 4. See?
Oh wait, you can see inside too.
Galaxy. Oh, Galaxy Samsung Watch 4. Wow. Oh my god. Where's that? Eric can open. So me and Eric is open together. Oh my god, I'm excited. The first time I have the watch.
Oh my god. Oh.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my god.
Very good.
Oh, look at that. And we can take it out to show you.
No. Wow, even beta. Oh my goodness.
Turn it on. See what happened.
How to turn on.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the first time I have the watch.
Hang on, wait.
And it's very nice.
Should be this one.
Thank you. Thank you for myself.
Hang on, wait. Is that
What's
all?
inside?
Oh, wait.
Something here.
Oh, is that where it is?
Oh my god, this
my
is
God.
my unboxing first time. Eric, it's late in the school. Oh,
Yeah.
oh my god.
It's a charger.
Has charger inside.
Okay. This connects.
this
The
called?
bottom is called
Yeah,
that.
the charger is sticking it like a magnet.
Opening this one.
And what's inside? One more.
One more. One
Yeah.
more, guys.
And what's this?
Oh,
Oh,
what is it?
okay. Just the guide, warranty guide. And next, my Samsung Galaxy. See? This the next. I wanna open Eric
Yeah.
together. I wanna open this like this. Okay.
Okay. Oh my god.
It's so dumb. God, I can't see. Wow! The happiness. Oh my god.
Take it out.
I wanna take it out, guys. Oh my god. Look.
Oh, can I see the back? Can we all see the back? Oh my god!
It's big, guys. Oh my god, guys. Look at this.
Whoa.
Wow, it's very big.
And I know what you're thinking, guys.
This is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra.
I need to go.
What time is it? So Eric wanna go now because he's going to the train. He's going to the school and then his turn is coming there. So bye guys for Eric.
Bye.
2,000 years later.
Continuing guys. Eric is went to the school so Jason is back and Eric.
Hello.
So continue again to unboxing. We're already unboxing the
Apple Watch.
Apple Samsung Galaxy. So my Jason not even see it yet.
Yes, so we're gonna have
So
a look.
this is the watch. See Jason?
No, no,
That's nice.
Jason.
And then Look. There's the dog. Oh. So we already unboxing this morning, but Jason want to see. That's why I wait for my family to open.
And then look, here it is,
So
the iPhone.
this is the
Galaxy. That's
Samsung Galaxy. Wow! Can't you see that? Press the things. Press the things. Press
I
it.
think you need to turn it on.
Wow! Wow! Yeah, has a ball pin, yeah, guys. So let's open.
It's for that.
So what's inside of this? Can you open this?
Yep. Where's the other part?
What's inside?
Oh, it's thick. It's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy and thick and big.
I think this is the charger.
The charger. But there is no head.
And you need the SIM cards.
The charger, there
The
is no
SIM
head,
cards
guys. Look.
thing is here.
Oh, look at this. Take a look, guys. This is the burgundy color. Seem like my nail polish. And that's the pin Eric is putting on. Camera. How many camera? My goodness, guys. This is good for our vlog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My goodness me. 5 camera. Can't you see the beauty of this? Wow. Look. Very nice. I'm excited to opening. New series. What's this series?
Four.
Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. My first time ever that Samsung. I have a watch Samsung. Oh my goodness me, guys. It's real. You need to do is press these things, the red thing. Press. Wow! Oh my goodness! And then the next, I open this Galaxy S4.
Can I?
Eric want to turn on? Oh, maybe we can wait first. We can wait for the Samsung watch. Oh, oops! Samsung Galaxy. Secure by Knox. Very nice. This is medium and large.
It's on.
Welcome! Wow. Oh my gosh. Jason, come here. Galaxy Watch BGMG. Oh. Welcome.
Jason, look. Galaxy Watch.
Maybe we can sweep up. What? Touch screen. Language. Start word up on.
In the Galaxy wearable
On your
app
phone.
on your
Oh, so
iPhone.
we need to open the
This one.
telephone.
Yeah,
So
telephone.
just leave it, guys. This. So I open my new telephone.
Is it too
So
Yeah. It looks so weird.
just
It doesn't even look like a screen. It just
I
looks like the
just
back.
press this thingy.
Oh!
There you go. Samsung Galaxy.
Jinx.
Android.
You know this can measure your heart rate?
There you get loading.
Oh my god!
Welcome.
English
start.
Australia. Insert a SIM card.
Put it down. And use a license, private privacy, sending links, data option. And
Wi-Fi
Wi-Fi. So we're connecting the
is.
video. So we're setting up, starting. Service power set up. Restart again. The Samsung.
Jason? 453.
It's coming. And there you go, guys. It's loading. Just a sec. Copy and data. Don't copy. I don't want to copy.
You can use the pen.
Keep. Wow, that's the one. Connect. Galaxy Watch before. I want to connect my. I wanted to connect my camera.
Connect.
Oops. Go back.
Just make a password. You can do that later.
I can delete my password, okay? Escape away first, because we want to open. And, please wait. Please wait, and then we start, because it was there before, and then,
Get recommended apps.
okay, next. Don't worry about that, it's fine. Just gonna put my email, okay? Just wait. Samsung Galaxy skip. I don't need yet. I'll do that later. Explore your finish now. I'll do that later. Explore. And whoa, guys! My goodness me. So this is it.
Netflix.
I wanna do no picture yet. And or already has an app anyway. So yeah, look.
You have
They have
YouTube
free.
Music.
You can sign up free. You can use DC Music for
YouTube Music. For listening.
Samsung Galaxy Go. So this is all the free app that you want. So let's go for camera. Oh no, what's a 10? Night mode. No, this is the camera. That's the times one. Not this one, but take a picture, the nice thing. So we take a picture. That's the picture. That's only 3 times 1. Oh, that's the 3.
There's 100.
It's a 10. Ah,
100.
the 100. Oh no, the 100. It's like the microscope. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
And how about the video? Oh no,
What
30.
the heck?
Then this is good, guys, for our video.
What does the camera look like when you do it?
That's the camera, guys. So let's go for the video. Oh, nice. So I take the video from here. Wow. Look at Eric. What's this? It's only 1. And what if you do the 3? Eric. 3. Oh, Eric, I see your teeth only. And number 1, oh, your face. And number 1, number 3. Oh, I can see the teeth. Number 10. Ha! I see the 2 teeth. Oh my goodness, the video is crazy. I love it. Oh no, this is good for me. They have until 20, guys. Look. Under 20. Before the number 10 is the teeth. Now I can see the lips. Look, the lips only. The 20.
Smile.
Where's your teeth? Stop moving. Oh my god, guys, this is crazy. This is really good. Look at Eric. See it again. Eric in the 1 times. And the 3. The nose. And the eyes. The number 10. Oh my god. And the 20. Ah! There's nothing now. Oh no, number 6. That's the regular. I like the camera, guys. It's very good. Look, let's go connect our Samsung watch to my Samsung Ultra.
Maybe it's Bluetooth.
There's a Bluetooth. No setting. Setting connect.
No, Bluetooth.
You do this
Uh-huh.
so we can connect. While using the app only time. While using the app, it's fine. Check a number on your watch. Okay, I paired that.
Confirm on your phone.
Confirm. Complete the sit-up. Wow, it's loading, guys. So there is, guys, sign in. So what can I do?
Sign in. Sign in.
For more future, skip. I do later. Sending diagnostic data option details. Continue. And allow. Watch message your calendar. Allow.
Yes. Yeah. Allow.
And manage your access, of course.
Allow.
And contact.
Allow.
And Galaxy phone allowed. Messenger. Media tab photos and media on your device. No, I don't like it.
I think you should allow it. Don't.
I agree.
Agree.
Galaxy is loading.
Whether that was Russian sending a message is unclear. Now it comes as the city, the Belarusian border, into Kiev. It's due to arrive here in the next 24 to 48 hours, and we've seen a subsequent outflow of people terrified to stay here, wanting to get out of the city before that armoured division arrives. 64 kilometres long, about the same distance from Brisbane to the Gold Coast.
And you need to change the time too.
In Ukraine's second biggest city of Kharkiv, this morning a government building demolished by an extraordinary blast happened on video. It's believed dozens of
Try again.
in that incident,
Too odd.
No Google account.
No Google account, so I want to skip first.
using cluster bombs and
I want to make my Google account.
banned under international
Yeah?
treaties. It's now being
Just skip for
Google
now.
account, let's use Galaxy app. You can try again or now skip.
Ukraine Zelensky
I want to skip first. And later on I sit up again.
European Parliament. They gave him a standing ovation as he went on to call the Russians
Finishing
war
up.
criminals over those acts today.
While you're waiting, take a moment to get familiar with your watch.
I want to see the watch. It's coming, completing, and you all start. You all set. That's the Galaxy Watch. Starting.
One of the rare moments of good news to report today, peace talks that stalled yesterday are now scheduled to resume again
So
tomorrow.
that's the pre-watch.
For free.
Yeah. You know, guys, this is only for free. My pre-watch. Take your watch to the wall. Open the quick panel so you can do like that. Wow.
Well, rarely would a US
Wow.
open a State of the Union address.
Wow.
Policy
Oh.
has
Wow.
Joe Biden,
Wow.
the first